So I came down, I'm at Chris's house now. I haven't been down to these trails yet. He's got some trails. It's more like a big patchy area with some jumps and stuff that he goes to a lot, so I'm going with him to check him out. So we just have to go back to the house because he snapped his foot peg on a pipe, so we're heading back out. How you doing? There's a little patchy, like, grass area over there we're checking out.
Not supposed to be riding that over there.
Alright.
No.
I'll just get him, we'll go back around.
Where's you from?
I live in Lake Worth.
Where'd you park your car?
At his house. He lives over here.
Yeah, you're not supposed to be riding them on the street. You set a bad example.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, I'll go get him, we'll head back over that way.
Yeah.
Thanks. Well, just got stopped by the cops, but told him we were gonna head back, but fuck it. I ain't going back. What?
Did a wheelie right in front of the cops.
He didn't even care. He was like, dude, you're not supposed to ride those on the street. I was like, yeah, we were just fixed them up. We were just going for a ride. It's like, you're setting a bad example for all the little kids. It's like, all right, yeah, we're just going to go back. He's like, all right, see ya.
You did a wheelie right in front of him, dude.
I didn't.
Like, oh my god.
I didn't see him.
Yeah. I saw it all happen. I was like, oh my god. Not enough for a ride on the street.
That would have been a $1,200 ticket, right?
Yeah.
Whoopsies.
Right on here, too.
I forgot. I did a wheelie right in front of this dude. That's like a $1,300 ticket. Pretty sure Moto Bro just recently got one for that. Well, that shit's steep.
Yeah. Here, will you watch for cars for me real quick?
What?
Can you watch out for cars for me?
Yeah. Nice. What happened?
The bumper fell off.
Where is it? His muffler fell off. What?
Now you see why I'm always breaking my bike?
Yeah. All right, I had to take off my license plate because it was about to rip off from the jumps, just hitting the tire. So. What?
Look at my back shock.
Holy shit!
It just happened when I jumped off that thing. This thing is such a piece of shit,
Dude. Do you have another shock at home?
Yeah, but it's a different size. I'm gonna have to fabricate a bracket.
At least you have one. You want me to go get your muffler?
Alright, I can go get it.
Well, Chris's monoshock just snapped. Now he's on a lowrider.
You got some good air on that good looking air.
I saw that.
Come out with a good video after today.
Now you're riding on a coilover.
A low rider.
Yeah, really. Alright, so we're just gonna head back to the house now. He's got another shock at home that he's gonna fabricate up to work on his bike.
I can't believe it.
So we're gonna head back to his house and call it a day, I guess, until he could get the other one on. But anyway, guys, so thanks for tuning in again. Be prepared for another video coming out by the end of the week, maybe Sunday. So, but until then, please give it a thumbs up and like it and share it with your friends and leave me a comment. Let me know any suggestions, or anyone wants to ride. Just I usually answer all my comments if I get any. So I'll see you in the next video. All right, later, guys. This is what happens when a 200-pound man rides a pit bike and hits a jump.